What's up, guys? Toast from Fishyaker, about 6 o'clock in the evening, Thursday, February 4th, 2021, at the North Branch of the Susquehanna River, Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania Fish and Boat Commission access. As you see, they plowed the snow. We still got over a foot of snow here on the ground, probably. Like I mentioned the other day, all the eddies and the shorelines, pretty iced up. But there's actually some open water out there if you want to brave it and try to get out there to it. Air temperature's not too bad right now, but might get a little bit more snow over the next few days, especially those up north of here. But it's a beautiful evening. Thought I'd take Coco for a ride. Thought you guys might want to see it. River's still really low, though. What are you doing, Wingnut? Gorgeous evening, though. Just saw a little skunk up the road, too. Started to roll the window down, thought it was a raccoon until I started smelling it, and I rolled that window back up really quick. He's right up there by the airport. If anybody's snooping around, you smell it and you see something moving, that's what it is. But that's what it looks like right now on the North Branch of the Susquehanna River here in Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania, at the Fish and Boat Commission access. Tomorrow's Friday. Try to get out there and find some water and try to find some fish. Don't try to ice fish that there, though, because you'll be floating down there. All right, guys, be sure to share the video. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the Fishyaker YouTube channel if you haven't yet. And I might go home and do some more filming. Catch you on the water, guys. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Fishyaker.com, the original kayak rigging video series.
Coco, come here. Come here, Coco. Coco. Come here, Coco. Coco.